Hi students, it's Miss Gilbert again. We are going to talk about inscribed angles today. So let's start with some little practice. State if each angle is an inscribed angle. If it is, name the angle and the intercepted arc. Okay, we can do this. So angle right here. This is an inscribed angle, so I'm going to say yes. This is an inscribed angle because it is two chords, okay? And it can be named angle BAC or angle CAB. And its intercepted arc, remember the arc part is right here. The arc is arc CB or arc B or CB. So arc BC or arc CB. Okay, now this angle here, this is not an inscribed angle because K needs to be on the circle. So if you had this angle, that would work. But K is not on the circle, so it is not an inscribed angle. This angle here, this is an inscribed angle. This is two chords. Even though this chord is the diameter, that's okay. So we have angle VXW or angle WXV. But that X is in the middle because it's the vertex. And then the arc that it makes right here is arc WV or arc VW. And then this one, this angle, is not an inscribed angle because M is not on the circle. But this is a central angle because the center of the circle is the vertex of the angle. All right. Now we're going to work with the numbers. So it says find the measure of the arc or angle indicated. So the question mark is here. We're looking for an angle. Angle BAC. We're going to say the measure of angle BAC equals. Now this is an inscribed angle. So if we look at the intercepted arc, an inscribed angle is half. So you take your calculator, 80 degrees divided by 2. That is 40 degrees. Okay? So the angle is 40 degrees. The arc is 80. All right, the question mark is here. We want arc, WV. So you look for the angle that connects the W and the V. And that angle is WXV, which is 42 degrees. It is an inscribed angle, so I need to actually take 42, multiply by 2. And this is 84. Okay, so look, the angle is always half of the arc, or the arc is double the angle. This is for inscribed angles. Now don't let all the lines confuse you, just outline the inscribed angles, okay? So the question mark is for this arc here, arc PD. Now I follow the lines that connect P and D. So I have angle PED. I need to find this angle in order to find this arc, right? Okay, so what do we have? We have that this angle is 35 degrees, and I think they are talking about this angle right here, 35 degrees. Now I see that this 35-degree angle is also an inscribed angle. So I can take 35 times 2, and I get 70 here. And then I see that right here is a straight diameter, so this is 180 degrees. So if this whole thing is 180 degrees, and I know that this part is 70, I can find this part. So I take 180 minus 70, that's 110 degrees. So I found it. Our answer, where the question mark is, was 110 degrees. Okay, I'll do one more example with you. We want to find arc DC. So that means I need to connect the angle. This is the angle I'm looking for, so I can find the arc. Now, what type of shape do you see here? ¿Qué tipo de forma es aquí? This is a triangle. And remember, triangles, how many degrees do all three angles equal? 180. So if I have a triangle, this is 49 and 70. How much is the last one? So we take our calculator. We know the triangle is 180 minus, subtract 70 and 49. So minus 70 minus 49. And I get 61. So this angle is 61, but what is the arc? I have to take 61 times 2, multiply by 2, and I get 122 degrees. Nice work.